Hello guys, today I will show you how you can rearrange your home screen in the Huawei Y61. So at the start I will show you how to add a widget. Just slide your finger to the center on the home screen and tap on the widgets. Now just choose the app. In my case I will choose a Google Chrome and hold it and drop into free space on your home screen. If you want to resize it, just hold the finger on it and use that edges. That's it. If you want to make a folder, just hold in the app and drop into another. If you want to open the more home screen settings, slide your finger again and tap on the home screen settings. You can see now we have a layout options. You can change the amount of the application in the one row and columns of that. And you can also try to change the transition. You can see now I have a standard default transition. We can change it for box, for example. And how that is working. Then we can go to the settings, open the home screen wallpaper, and you can see that we have a few options to change. You can change the theme of your device, like this one. And you can always try to change the wallpaper. You can choose the default wallpapers or just add something from your gallery by this button. Then you can choose the icon styles. You can see that we have a default two kinds of these icons, but you can also go to the more icons to open the something like a Huawei shop and add it more. And the last one, you can choose the lock screen signature and add some text to your lock at screen. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.